Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I'm Suzanne of Suzanne Subscriptions. As you probably can tell, I love subscription boxes or subscription services. I also, within this channel, I also take time to review products that I've purchased or hauls that I do out and about with my family. And different products that I like to give you guys my feedback on. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so you'll get notified the next time I have a new video. But thanks for sticking around and take a look at what I got. All right, well, I got to go shopping today, and boy, was it a fun shopping trip because the number one reason I got to go to the Coach store, which I haven't been to the Coach store for quite a few years. When I was younger, I bought a lot of Coach purses. I have a little bit of a collection, and I, promised my husband I'd kind of slow down buying more and more and start using the ones that I already had. And I've really been doing good at that. And I really, love kind of interchanging my purses so I don't wear them out or, and I can kind of keep them clean and kind of use them season to season or whatever might be going on for events and stuff. So, I did have one main purpose though in going to the Coach store today, and that was to get a tote, a decent sized tote that I could put over my shoulder and carry my laptop, paperwork and stuff. For work purposes, I needed a tote that would be versatile and something I could carry and even put some of my personal items or a smaller person as well as my work items. So I did go in mind to the store with that purpose, but I did of course end up buying one more item that was totally frivolous, totally for me, and I'm really happy about it. I, of course, went on, today's St. Patty's Day, and I got to go on a day that Coach was having a 60% off sale at their outlet store. And so you got 60% off any item in the store. And then if you checked out their clearance item, their kind of clearance wall, you got not only the 60%, but you got also another 30% off. So that's where I stayed. I definitely looked around the store at all the other items, and they have some really cute purses out there right now, especially with spring. I love the spring colors. I love the pinks. I love the blues, the whites that have, the greens, blues, and pinks in them. Oh, I love them, and I could buy the whole store out if I, had the money to. But I definitely saw that there was some really cute purses in the clearance section, and you can't beat 60% plus another 30% off. So that's where I kind of stayed, and I found a few items, and I'm really happy with my purchases. So I want to show you guys. Okay, my first item is my tote I want to show you guys. This is just a very basic black tote. It's called actually the reversible floral city tote, and the reason it says reversible is that inside it is got a floral pattern, which I found really cute. And you can obviously turn it inside out. It's a canvas tote, and it's got nice long straps for the arms. It's very wide barreled. It's got a good size dimension on the bottom, and it definitely will fit my laptop plus paperwork plus a purse that I want to bring as well. So this I found is just going to be, and it's kind of sleek on this side. I probably will end up keeping it on the black side the majority of the time. But, if I feel a little festive or feisty, I guess, I can, make it reversible and turn it inside out. So just one item, this was in the clearance section, as I mentioned, but one additional thing that made it even more appealing to me is the fact that it had a little tag on it that said it's missing the inside pouch. So those of you that might already have this purse, you know that it has an additional pouch that, they have a tie that goes around it, and it's got a good size pouch because I looked at other ones that had pouches. That's a decent size, and you can put items inside that, and it will stay inside there. I'm not going to miss that, to be quite honest, because I did look at the other ones going, oh, is that, worth it to get one that actually has the pouch? And I don't think I'll end up using that pouch, to be quite honest. So the fact that they took off, they marked it at $2.95 when actually it is a $3.49 regular price. So it was up from $3.49 marked down to $2.95 due to the fact it didn't have that pouch. And then it said take an additional 20% off. So right there, I was amazed. I was like, oh my God, wonderful. And so I asked the gal that was there helping, I said, so you mean you get this, you get the 20% off, so it's already discounted, then you get 20% off because it's missing the inside pouch, and then you're telling me you get the 60% off plus the 30% off because it's clearance? And she said yes. And then she proceeded to tell me what the price was. And I said, I will keep that. Thank you very much. I'll take it home with me. So again, it started at being a $350 purse. And after all the discounts, including the 20% for missing that extra pouch that's inside, I ended up paying only $78.40. I'm super happy about it. I would love to hear if any of you feel that was a good deal or not a good deal. Let me know. But for me, I feel it's a really great deal because I was almost going to go to our big mall and actually go to the regular Coach store. So the fact that I was smart enough to go to the outlet mall and get such a deal and get exactly what I was looking for in the tote, I'm super happy about. Okay, and the next purse I got was definitely a treat for myself, and as I was saying, it literally just kind of spoke to me when I saw it up there on the shelf. It was just something I really felt I wanted to get and had to add to my purse collection, and here it is. It's called the Sierra collection satchel, and I just love it. It's this cute floral design. It's got this very shiny material on top, and then the leather, I think they call it chalk colored bottom. And then you can see it's got the 4 little buttons on the bottom. So when you set it down, it's not gonna, since it's white, because you always got to be cautious with white purses. But I love it. I love the shape of it. I love the fact it's got these cute little handles. I love how small it is, how light it is, and the zipper detail. So the zipper goes all the way around. And then I'll open it so you guys can see. It's got this cute pink color, and it's got 2 pockets on each side. It doesn't have a zipper in the inside, but that's okay. And it does come with a little cleaner, just a little cleaner like you would for your eyeglasses. Because it's such this shiny material, I think it gets smudged probably easier when you rub up against something darker. And so they give you a little cleaner. Cute. And then lastly, it's on the back side. It's got a little pocket as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to put into that. My phone is way too big for that, but I'm sure I'll figure out something small. But again, I just love it. I think it's the most cute, dainty little purse, and I can't wait to, start using it here in spring. So with this one, like I said, Sierra satchel, this was regular price at $325. Then with this one, you got the 60% off plus the 30% off because it was on the clearance shelves. And so in the end, it was $325. I ended up buying it for $90.99. Again, very happy with that price in my opinion. Well, thank you guys for watching. This was a really fun shopping trip because I don't get out much to the outlet malls anymore. And I haven't bought a Coach purse for years. So I'm really happy and satisfied with my 2 purchases. Please make sure to comment down below. Let me know if you have one of these purses and how it's holding up, wear and tear, how you like it. If there's anything you noticed as an issue, any positives you have, I'd love to hear back on that. And then make sure to, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.